This is for Algebra 2 Honors, Unit 7 review, and this video is going to cover problems 1 and 2, solving log equations. On the equation in number 1, we have log on both sides. They both are natural logs, so we have the same base. When you have a log on both sides of the equation with the same base, we can tell that this argument and this argument must be equal to each other. So I'm going to write a new equation that says 2x must be equal to x squared plus 1. Now we have a quadratic equation. We need to set it equal to 0. And this is a quadratic that's factorable, x minus 1 times x minus 1. So we have one solution here, x equals 1. On number 2, we only have logs on one side of the equation, but not on the other side. We also notice here there are two log expressions on the same side. So first we need to condense these two. These logs are being added, so we're going to use the product property to condense these, which means we're going to multiply x plus 1 times x minus 5. So if I multiply x plus 1 times x minus 5, we get x squared minus 4x minus 5. So my condensed log will be log base 7 of x squared minus 4x minus 5, and I still have a 1 on this side. So when we have a log on one side of the equation but not on the other side, our only choice here is to change this to exponential form. So the base is 7, the exponent is 1, equals this argument. Now we have a quadratic, so if we subtract 7 from both sides, we get x squared minus 4x minus 12. This is factorable, so x minus 6, x plus 2. And our solutions are x equals 6, x equals negative 2. When we get our solutions, we should always go back to the original problem and check whether either of these are extraneous. If we plug 6 in, 6 plus 1 is a positive number. Here, 6 minus 5 is still a positive number. If we plug negative 2 in, negative 2 plus 1, that makes this argument negative. You can't have a negative argument for a log, so this is an extraneous solution, and x equals 6 is the only valid solution.